If you're looking for an affordable, newly updated golf access property here in Southwest Florida, this could just well be your next Southwest Florida home. I'd like to take you into my new listing here at 1300 Waite Drive in North Fort Myers. Convenient location, golf access potential, and a great property whether you're looking to be a seasonal residence or that investment property to establish yourself here in Southwest Florida. So after Hurricane Ian, this home was in desperate need of a full update. The investing team that took care of this property have done a complete update. If you're looking for a home that has very little work to be done, if any, this is the perfect property. New electricity, new wiring, new plumbing, new flooring, new roof. Almost every detail has been taken care of for you here at 1300 Waite Drive. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a seasonal home or potentially an investment property here in Southwest Florida, 1300 Waite Drive offers it all. For a private tour, call me today at 239-450-5786 and let's have a conversation about this incredible property. Now, if you're looking to sell your home here in Southwest Florida, call me today to learn more about my stress-free selling system. I look forward to talking to you soon.